running through how the home construction spreadsheet helps to organize a project for building a home and having a step-by-step checklist of all the items, the items to take care of during the process. So, all right, so now we're on the next part here, which is demo. And you can see that this summary right here of, well, zero. We assume zero for this, but anyway, we'll run down here to the details of where that's coming from. So you can see demolition is here, and this is where it's coming from right here. So if you have a site, a building on the land, you need to get rid of it. This is where this will come into play. You can put in there how much you need to pay for the labor and the removal, if you need to pay to have it, a dump to take your materials. Then if you have any hazardous material abatement, asbestos or anything like that, you can put all of those types of details in here for the cost. And then what you can do, just to get a summary and where that shows up on the summary, you can see it shows up right here. It's zero right here, but anyway, this is where it would show up in your cost to show you that. And then when you go to the schedule, and you see demo is right up in here. This is where you can see that set up all your controlling steps and what has to happen first. And if you need to have a refresher on that, go look at part 1 of this series. But you can see that this is telling us, okay, we need to have this done around March 31st to April 3rd, somewhere in that time frame. This needs to happen. And you can see it over here on the graph here, right up in this area. So this helps us to see, okay, needs to be happening right up in here. Then when you move to the step-by-step checklist over here, we can see that demo is actually part of it's part of the foundation area here, right here. Demo the site if needed. This letting us know, okay, this is going to be happening in April 3rd. This is under the labor payment points right here. So you're going to pay a demo sub for that. And again, this zero cost is coming from our cost tab. The schedule, the dates here are coming from the schedule tab. And then anyway, there's no cost associated with it, but if there were, then it would show us right up in here where that would be happening. So anyway, that's the end of this part.